HVAC contractors with 1 to 5 trucks, listen up. Every extra trip to the supply house is more than an inconvenience. It's lost billable hours, wasted fuel, and frustrated customers who expect a first visit fix. For a small HVAC shop, even one extra run per day can cost thousands over a season. The good news, a simple van, stock standard, basic tracking, and right routing can turn your truck into a predictable profit center instead of moving parts problem. We help small teams build those systems and tie them into your dispatch and marketing. If you want to squeeze more profit out of every truck, book a free profitable truck audit, and we'll show you where to start.